Next is setting up your own online store. You'll be needing a suitable platform for your products to sell from. Your site is the main medium between you and your prospects. They're going to review your items and place their orders here. Which platform is the right kind of platform for your business? Based on research and analytics, the best platform that you can use to build your website is using Shopify, Facebook, and Instagram. Let's start with Shopify. Even for beginners, this site is the most convenient option there is. Shopify is one of the best sites to help you run your online business. It provides a variety of tools to help you. From showcasing your products to processing your payments, Shopify makes your online business work best for you. Here are some of the important key features of Shopify that will help your online business. Shopify has their own payment provider. It accepts credit cards and even PayPal payments. The flexibility in accepting different payment methods will make it easier for your customers during checkout. Next is Shopify's online sales channels. Shopify supports several different online sales channels where you can sell your products. By connecting each sales channel to Shopify, you can keep track of your products, orders, and customers in one place, no matter where you are selling your products from. Some of the sites that support Shopify's online sales channel are Facebook, Messenger, Pinterest, and even Amazon. It also supports a buy button channel where you can connect to your very own website or blog, Tumblr, or even WordPress. Finally, Shopify eases your tracking, shipping, and ordering list, from deciding your shipping method to automatically recording orders you've made. While Shopify is one of the best e-commerce website hubs for your online store, Facebook and Instagram, on the other hand, have some of the best places to drive traffic and engagements. Both social media platforms are often used by those who are making their first step in e-commerce. Most business owners use both accounts to post their offers alongside with some of their product information. Even if creating a page or group is easy to set up using both Facebook and Instagram, it's unfortunately inconvenient for buyers to place their orders. This is because social network platforms are not designed for online trade, placing orders, making payments, and tracking your orders. Driving traffic to your website is what they do best. The first type of e-commerce business you can do is print on demand, or POD. An on-demand delivery is the immediate or scheduled delivery of your product to your customer. It's being initiated immediately right after they make their order. Many of the largest retailers in the world have taken a note of POD business and realize they can assist in getting products to customers quicker. Retailers like Amazon, Target, and even Walmart can help you ship your products faster than a direct delivery from your manufacturer. If you're interested in getting your products delivered faster, then looking up for a retailer would suit your business. For your POD to work, you must first have your 1. Product niche. It can either be clothing, appliances, bags, or anything that you find interesting and demanding. 2. Product brand. Remember to give your business a brand to help customers identify your service easily. 3. Supplier and designer. List them down so you won't have to be in constant search for more suppliers and designers. 4. Online store. A Shopify online store, Facebook, or Instagram accounts are all you need. For example, you're running a POD business on books. Your book files must be prepared in a print-ready format, or PDF. It's best to do a test printout before printing it for your customers. Then the business owner needs to specify their distribution terms with a capable POD supplier or manufacturer. Ensure that your digital files are prepared and formatted to fit the cover, content, back cover, and even the spine. Then send the digital files to your book production team. Then you can list your books to your website. Boost the views by announcing it to your multiple social media platforms. Always prepare a different marketing plan to reach out to a bigger audience. Next, a customer or two will browse through your website and find your book. If it appears interesting to them, they will order your book. Shopify, your website, will send a message to your POD book manufacturer. It will automatically order the same amount your customer wants. Once they've received the order, they're going to print, bind, and package the item into a book. You'll get to see the status of your book production in your Shopify account. When your book's ready, they're going to ship the book to you first or directly to your customer. This depends on your agreement with the manufacturer. You will then pay the POD book manufacturer a percentage of the book's selling price. The print-on-demand model works with products like mugs, necklaces, hoodies, shirts, leggings, and virtually any printed items. Suppliers, which you can search for, who provide such services are gearbubble.com, powermerch.io, and customcat.com. The final e-commerce business type is dropshipping. Unlike POD, running a dropshipping business means you sell the products that you don't own to your customers. When you receive orders, your chosen supplier ships the product directly to your customers. Your profit's simply the difference between the cost of your own purchase and the money that you asked from your customers. All you need to have is 1. Product niches. Every successful business must have their own niche. 2. Choosing your supplier. Prepare a list of your own chosen suppliers. 3. Sign up for your dropshipping store using one of the most popular dropship hubs, alidropship.com. Create an account on alidropship.com to personalize your own dropshipping web store. Alidrop provides all the technical conveniences. You won't be having troubles communicating with customers, handling orders, keeping track of deals, and others. Customers will be delighted to find a specially developed website that allows them to place their orders and make purchases quickly and easily. Plus, the web store provides analytics to shop owners. You get to see detailed statistics on the amount of orders, revenues, visitors, etc. They can also track your store's performance and make any changes that are necessary. Next is the potential high income that you can earn. By selling items from your store, you'll get bigger profits from other platforms. Customers also prefer to make purchases in web stores as opposed to blogs or social media. So first, fill in your stores with the products of your niche. Then post them online. You can post them at your social media website or in your own dropship website. Post pictures and detailed descriptions of the products from your chosen supplier. Next, a customer or two will be interested in what you're offering. Then they'll place an order and pay for it. You'll receive a notification whenever a customer places an order. When that happens, contact the shipper who stocks up on this product. Place the same order as your customer to your supplier. Once you've received a confirmation order from your supplier, you need to inform the supplier to deliver the order to the address of your customer. Double-check the location of your customer's address. Then the customer receives the order and your transaction is completed. That wraps up your online business model for both POD and dropshipping. Always remember to update your online store and be consistent in your delivery timing. Customers are happier to buy items from an engaging and a responsible store owner.